Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a home renovation business with HomeAdvisor, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your niche within the home renovation industry. Consider what services you can offer, such as kitchen remodeling, bathroom renovations, or general contracting. Conduct market research to understand local demand and competition. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target market, and financial projections. Choose an appropriate business name that reflects your services and resonates with potential clients. Register your business and obtain necessary licenses and permits. Set up a professional website showcasing your services, past projects, and client testimonials. Utilize social media platforms to promote your business and engage with your audience. Create a HomeAdvisor profile to increase your visibility within the online home improvement community. Fill out your HomeAdvisor profile completely, including detailed descriptions of your services and relevant images. Collect and display customer reviews on your profile to build trust with potential clients. Optimize your profile with keywords that potential clients may search for when looking for renovation services. Set competitive pricing for your services based on your research and budget considerations. Network with other professionals in the industry, including suppliers and real estate agents, to generate referrals. Develop a marketing strategy that includes both online and offline tactics to reach your target audience. Consider using pay-per-click advertising to attract visits to your HomeAdvisor profile. Utilize email marketing to keep past clients informed about new services and offers. Monitor your leads and inquiries through HomeAdvisor to ensure prompt responses. Follow up on leads consistently to convert inquiries into confirmed projects. Maintain a strong focus on customer service to build lasting relationships with clients. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices to remain competitive in the market. Continually seek feedback from clients to improve your services and enhance client satisfaction. Evaluate your business performance regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Consider expansion options, such as offering additional services or growing your team, as your business flourishes. Engage with the HomeAdvisor community for ongoing resources and support to help your business thrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.